Hello, this is Tiffany Jackson at Los Angeles Trade and Technical College. I am going to show you how to transfer a dart using the pivot method. I have a front bodice that just has a waist dart, and it's already been marked with the apex and the punch hole for my dart end. So basically I'm going to line up the center front so that it's parallel with the dotted paper. What I need to know right away, where am I putting the new dart? Right now the dart is at the waist. I'm going to be transferring the dart to the mid armhole. So what I want to do is I want to indicate where the new dart is going to go. And I'm going to do that just by making a pencil mark. It's important that you mark both the pattern and the dotted paper, because what happens is when we move this, we're not sure how to line it back up if we haven't marked it. So you are going to need either a push pin or an awl. Anytime you're transferring a dart, it happens from the apex. So I'm just going to put a push pin there to hold it. Okay? I've lined up the center front with the dotted paper, and I'm going to start my transfer from where my new dart is going to go. So I'm going to trace from here around the perimeter of the pattern. And once I get to this notch, I'm going to close my dart. I'm going to pivot it close and continue tracing. Now, how do I know where to stop tracing? That's why we needed that pencil mark. So I'm going to stop tracing right here. I'm going to remove my pattern, and this indicates the new dart. This is my apex. This information is just transferred from this pattern here. So I'm going to use my clear ruler, and I'm going to draw in my dart, and I'm drawing my dart to my apex. This is just a quick visual so I know what's going on. I still need to decide if I'm going to be folding the intake or if I'm going to be adding seam allowance. The way to do that is we're going to measure the distance between the dart legs. I'm finding the center, and I'm going to put a mark. Then I'm going to draw a line from the apex through that mark. So right now I'm just identifying the center of my dart, and I'm going to keep a 1-inch back off point. So from my apex I am going to measure 1 inch along that line, and I'm going to put a mark. I'll use a blue ink, and I'm going to draw in my new dart legs. So I'm going from my back off point Once you have your new dart legs drawn, you can decide if you're going to fold the intake or if you are going to use seam allowance. I've done both of those demonstrations on the slash and spread method. If you'd like to see that demonstration, please look at the video titled Transferring the Dart Slash and Spread Method, and I'll show you both ways, how to fold the intake and how to add seam allowance.